I got a grassy.
Yeah, net him in. He's legal, mate.
I've got nothing.
Shit.
Valley.
Oh, that was close. What you got, Captain?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet.
Can you? No. Are they just not as nice?
Yeah. Slady. They pull hard.
Yeah, they felt like a good fish. Yeah, it feels better.
If I fished it, they right out the reef. I know what it looks like when it's been. Big privilege, big privilege. You got my rod.
I think it's a grassy. It's silvery looking.
Get in the boat. You're fuck what it fucking looks like. Get a cunt in the boat.
Oh, it's one of those.
Oh,
what is that?
A trigger fish. Yeah. So you know what you do with that?
No.
You unhook it and then you throw it back. So cowfish.
Yeah.
Or a trigger. Hardest mouth on earth and teeth.
Look at the teeth on it.
Look at the teeth on it, right? Or leather jacket is another name. They used to be out here and play proportion.
Yeah.
Their skin is fucking hard as fuck.
Oh yeah, it does look hard too.
Don't ever put your hand in there.
Like a crab nipper.
Do not.
Dunno.
Fish coming up. Another trevally?
Don't know. I can't see it yet. Silver. No, it's red.
Bullshit.
Yeah, it's red.
Get it in the boat. A little emperor. Congratulations.
I don't know if I've caught one of these before.
Well, that's why it's got to be your first emperor.
Yeah.
Hey? Just make sure you keep pressure on it, right?
Yeah, I know.
As soon as you let go, let go when you pressure,
Yeah.
they'll get off. That's why you're going to have to put your down here and stuff in there.
Yeah.
With a very hard jaw.
I
There
see
he
him.
is.
Yeah.
He's a nice one too, sitting nasty.
Fuck yeah. That's the shit. This is directly under.
There you go. Don't let him get around that anchor rope. Because the braid will fucking go.
Oh, it's a nice one.
That is a beautiful size. You don't want them any.
Beautiful. I think I lost it. Oh no. We're right. We're right. Bloody hell, we're doing good.
City's alive.
It's a Mackie, or is it a GT?
I don't know. I can't tell as it is yet.
Silver, at least.
Silver. I don't know.
That might be a Queenie. Oh, it's a tuna.
Are you kidding? Ain't no cut around here.
Hey, got him in the throat.
What the fuck?
Look at a tuna. How good's that? That's still a nice fish. Going straight under the boat.
You go that way.
Nice Mackie.
Here's a nice one. Hold on. Steady. Bring around. Alright, buddy, you're going to have a go.
I'll give it a go.
Alright. Yep.
There you go.
What's those sunset then?
It's a nice fish, this one. Well, it feels nice anyway. Yeah. That's a red emperor.
No!
Yeah, emperor.
Another one?
Bigger.
Bigger?
Oh no, same size.
Yeah, little juvenile. Mate, you maybe if you get one on that long,
Fucking.
they'll pull you over the fucking side, eh?
Oh yeah.